Hello everyone, welcome to Everything Finance. Today you guys will learn about intraday trading in share market. So first of all, learn what is shares. So this video I am recording my first video. So in front of camera, this is my first video. So let's start. What is shares? The capital of a company is divided into shares. Each share forms a unit of ownership of a company and is offered for sale to raise capital for the company. Companies generally list their company in exchange, NSE and BSE, to raise capital, to take public retail investors to invest in their companies. Generally, they bring IPOs. So, so you will learn IPOs in later. So today I am today teaching the basic. Just already you don't know anything about share market and you don't want to know actually. So please ignore my voice and my how the first video actually happens. So please ignore my voice. So shares can be generally divided into two categories: equity share, preference share. In equity share also there are many categories, and in preference share also there are many categories. So today we'll not in detail, we'll not learn in detail. So equity shares are the holders with the power to share the earning profits in the company, as well as equity share gives a voting right in the company you invested, and you will get the profits as a dividend. If you have invested some amount, you will get dividends by the company on a quarterly or yearly basis. So many companies will give quarterly basis also. So, and you have to bear loss. The loss. So, if you have invested in a share like generally Tata Motors. So, if you have bought at 500 and Tata Motors is currently trading at 400 around, so you have a loss of 100 rupees. If you had invested for a long term, then Tata Motors is the best company. No, so keep aside this. You guys don't know. This is a basic video, so I am keeping it basic. So on the other hand, preference share only gives their shareholders only dividends, which are fixed every yearly. No voting rights. Okay, equity shareholders are regarded as the real owners of a company, whereas shares are offered for sale directly by the company for the first time. They are offered in the primary market, whereas the trading of shares takes place in secondary market. You understand? Like equity shares are traded in primary markets and preference shares are traded in secondary market. Primary market and secondary market are both are different markets. Primary markets everyone can invest, but in secondary market everyone can't invest. Everyone can't invest. So let's come to the topic, intraday trading. In intraday, like if you want to trade in intraday means buy today, sell today, or sell today, buy today, vice versa. Anything is possible. So if intraday is a bit risky, so intraday gives much profits. So let's start. In intraday, the trader is required to square out the position on the same day. What I told before the market closes. So market hours. Everyone don't know the market hours. Market starts at 9 a.m. at morning. Okay, 9 a.m. to 9 a.m. pre-market. This 7 minutes time, it's pre-market. Pre-market. So I hope um, I don't know. So my handwriting is bit awkward. So in regular trading, you have to buy these stocks for delivery. Okay. Okay. So I am taking Reliance as an example today. Here is a BSC and here is a NSC. And in intraday, if you want to buy 5 shares of Reliance, you need only 2467. Okay. And if you want to go for long term, this is long term. If you want to buy and hold for years and years, like 10 years, 15 years, 1 year, 6 months, 3 months, or 2 days, you can buy in long term. If you want to buy and hold for 2 days only you have to buy in long term. Long term is also called as delivery. Yes. Okay. And if you want to sell short, like if you want to short Reliance 5 quantity in NSC, there is a margin same needed. In intraday, you have to buy this, like you have shorted Reliance at this price, and like from 2467 it goes to 2460. You have a profit of 7 rupees per share into 5, 35 rupees. You will have a profit. Okay, 35. I am not calculating the space. This will be also a profit. So around 30, 60, 37 rupees you will have a profit if you have shorted. And if you have bought, like like you have bought, you know that Reliance price will go upside 2467 to 262480, 13 rupees profit and 5 quantity. Margin will be needed. This, like the amount you have to add in the broker account. This amount 2467 you need to add into your broker account to trade in intraday in Reliance with 5 quantity. If you want, I will show example. Don't worry. So you have 13 rupees profit into 5 quantity, around 65 rupees profit. If you are thinking that Reliance will go upside, then only. If this price falls, if you have to take the loss in your home. So same goes to short while selling Reliance only. Okay, I will come to long term. Now delivery. In long term, like price is same, 2467, and see the margin. Now see the margin, 12,388. This you are buying for long term, means you will buy this and hold this Reliance for long term, like 3 months, 6 months, 9 months, 1 year, 10 year, 12 year, 30 years, 50 years, anything. You hold and keep in your DEMAT account. Okay. Buying on margin occurs when an investor buys or sells stocks by borrowing the balance from broker. The broker actually gives intraday margin to everyone without any collateral. Like you have to pay nothing. You trade and they give back the shares to broker. Like if you have you don't have the shares right now, right? In selling, you don't have the share, but you can buy these shares for long term also and take intraday gains. The broker gives actually the margin, which at the end of the day you have to give it back to the broker, or the broker will charge you a penalty. Around 50 rupees of payment penalty goes. Another example I am showing, HDFC Bank. Same goes to HDFC banks also. If I am buying HDFC Bank currently trading at 1600 rupees per share, I am buying 20 intraday shares. So the margin coming to 6402. Okay, I am buying shares of HDFC Bank. Now I am buying 20 shares of HDFC Bank in delivery. As you can see, if you buy this in long term, okay, this will be converted into delivery and which will be credited to your DEMAT account at the end of trading plus 2 days. Trading plus 2 days. Okay, like see now the margin, 20 quantity margin. One quantity is 1600. You buy and hold for long term or short term. Anything. I told you, not like you bought today, you can sell tomorrow. That is called BTST. Buy today, sell tomorrow. In short form, called BTST. Okay. So I know this is my first video. So here is not the end. I will show you the live now. This is my broker account. Okay, you can see my name, Rupampal, and I prefer trading in upstocks. I don't use Zerodha. I have an account though, but I don't use Zerodha. I am showing in Zerodha. Like I am buying ICICI Bank. Okay, ICICI Bank is currently trading in BSC 873.25 paise, in NSC 873.45 paise. Okay, long term, same amount is needed. I am purchasing 187,000 shares. Okay, if I go in intraday, like now, that the margin now changes in 17,000. Okay, AM order is aftermarket order. Now market is closed actually, so at night you can place the order, which will be placed at 9:15 in the morning in buy side only. AM order places only in buy side only, and AM order don't in long term only. Delivery, you can cash and carry. Like long term investment requires full upfront margin. You have to pay full money, 87,345 rupees of 100 shares of ICICI Bank. Okay, you can place cover order, which I will not come today. Okay, no, I am saying here's stop loss order, like this works in intraday SL. Price is now, like I bought in 873, and my stop loss, I don't want to take any risk. I am placing stop loss at 872. If this price reaches 872, my order will be automatically get squared off, means exited. I have bought in 873. I will have a loss of only 1.45 rupees. Okay, I don't want to take much risk. If the price reaches somehow 875, okay, now I will keep trailing stop loss around my cost price 873.45 paise. I will keep around 874. Like the price reaches more 880. I will trail, I will cover my profits more than my loss. So if the price reaches from 872 to 7 rupees, I will trail my stop loss. In intraday, this trailing is compulsory. I will say retail investors don't use stop loss. They think that I don't know what they think. Stop loss which saves like in 873. Now it falls to 860. What will happen? What will happen? 13 rupees loss. They are able to take 13 rupees loss, but they are not able to take 2 rupees stop loss. This is not. I will always prefer stop loss. Use stop loss in intraday only. If like in yes, if you want to sell, if I want to sell 100 shares of ICICI Bank, margin is needed still 17,600. 5x margin. Charges you can see brokerage 20. Okay, 20 rupees. SEBI turnover fee negligible. Exchange turnover fee. You are giving this 3 rupees to exchange. No stamp duty. Transaction tax GST 4 rupees. Okay, like if you have a loss, like I have sold this at 873.45 and I am expecting price to 860 in intraday. Same day, I have time till 3:15. Broker automatically squares off your position at 3:15 before 15 minutes prior to closing. Okay, try to close at 3 p.m. only. Don't wait for broker to close. If broker closes your position, that means broker will take your penalty. Around 50 rupees broker will take more. So that will be your loss. If I am not okay, one more. In intraday, you can place your 100 shares and market price. Like the market is now running at 873, it will be automatically get executed at market price. Okay, what are the market price I will show you? Okay, markets are right now closed, so I can't see the like on Friday's closing, it was opened around 864.70 and high till 10 rupees movement in ICICI Bank. You can see in HDFC Bank 1598 to 1690, around 1610. 12 rupees movement in the stock from low to high, high to low. It can be high to low also, it can be low to high also. Okay, 3 minutes time frame. Uh, 14. Like on 13th January, markets opened 9:15 at 9:15, like a big candle, falling candle. 1598 opened and it fall till 8 rupees, fall in 8 rupees, fall in just 1 second in market opening. Okay, it had hit a low, like here is written, low 1586. Okay, from 1586 to, like, how HDFC Bank bounced back from 1610 and closed at 16.1. Again from 10 to 1. Like if you had sell those shares, 100 quantity shares of HDFC Bank at 1609.5. Okay, and you have closed this position at 3 p.m. Okay, like it had fallen below 1600 also, 1599. You have gained 10 rupees profit per share in around 124 to 3 p.m. So in 1.5 hours, 1.1 hour 30 minutes around, you have gained 10 rupees per share profit. Like I have shorted HDFC Bank 100 quantity at the price of 1609 point. Okay, I am taking it 1609. Okay, my intraday 32,000 margin needed, 32,180. 70 rupees charges. 70 rupees charges would negligible for me if I would got 10 rupees in this fall. Like 1609 to I am taking 1599. 10 rupees profit in 100 shares. 1000 rupees profit in 1 hour 30 minutes. Does anyone gives? Does anyone gives? No one gives. In 1 hour 30 minutes, just 159. It was a better opportunity. So, have you understood? Please let me know in comment, or you can place AM order. Yes, if I would place an intraday order, so I would have placed a SL order also. SL market I will not place. SL limited I will prefer. So I would place SL order at 16. If this falls, right, 124, it falls 1603 in just around 7 to 8 minutes. It fall 6 rupees. 6 rupees it had fallen, and then again bounce back to 1608, and then again fall. So you could have booked profit in this area only. You could have booked this in less than 8 minutes. You could have gained 500 rupees in by selling 100 shares of HDFC Bank. Does anyone gives? No one gives. No one will give 500 rupees in 8 minutes. I am taking 8 minutes as an example. So you don't have to wait for this. Like I would have, if this fall, I would have placed a stop loss here around 1605. So generally, it would have taken my stop loss here or here only, 1605. I will exit that position. I will not go and again sell here, because already it's 2 p.m. and I can risk like 1 hour left in market and it will fall more and give this target. I can't expect. At 124, it is good to trade in. If I can hold it, I can also book this profit in this candle only, this green candle. Okay, I will not come to this in depth now. Have you everyone understood? Please let us know in comments. I tried my best and this is my first video. So please support me and I will come with more videos. Not options right now. I will not come to options right now because options are a bit risky. Okay, I am giving a hint also. You can, this is other indexes, Nifty 50, Nifty Bank. Okay, so Nifty 50, Nifty 50 stock list. Here are the Nifty 50 stocks. Okay, Reliance, HDFC Bank, Infosys, ICICI Bank, TCS, more than Tata Steel, Maruti, Mahindra, Wipro, many 50 companies comprises Nifty 50 price. Nifty 50 is currently at 17,956 and Bank Nifty, this is called Bank Nifty, Nifty Bank, same 42,370. You can't buy Nifty 50 and Nifty Bank. You can't buy. You can trade in options and futures by buying or selling this, but you can't buy for long term. Yes, you can buy futures for long term, but that is not advisable. That is not advisable to buy these options and futures for long term. Okay, there are many reasons. So I will not come to options and futures right now. So you can you can invest for long terms in these Nifty 50 stocks. First, you have to open your broker account. I will give the link of my Upstocks account in description, and you can invest in these Nifty 50 companies first to take like you invest in HDFC Bank, Kotak Bank, Hindustan Unilever, SBI. You can invest. These stocks will not fall much. I am telling. These stocks will not fall much. Like a bank can't fall. Like Kotak Bank price is now at 1780. Hardly this will fall 100 rupees, 200 rupees. But if you had invested this is long term, this would have gone 1700 rupees would have gone 2000, 2500, 3000. Like I have seen Reliance at 1000 rupees. Now it's trading near 2500 rupees. So invest in long term. No one can beat you. No one. Trust me. If you have a portfolio of these stocks, Nifty 50, no one can beat you in long term. No one. Build a portfolio and invest every month. Every month. Invest every month. Let it be 500 rupees or 100 rupees or 1000 rupees. Invest. In 100 rupees also there are shares. And I will say 100 rupees you can buy Indian oil. Indian oil is currently trading at 82 rupees. You can buy Indian oil. Indian oil will definitely grow. Definitely. Like people will say Indian oil will fall. I will say go for long term. Go for long term. Indian oil gives a dividend. The dividend that Indian oil gives, like In 2022, Indian Oil gives a return of 12% dividend yield. Highest, highest Indian Oil has given 12% dividend yield. No company gave that. No company. There is also written, I think. There is a P ratio, return on equity, PB, EBITDA. EBITDA means profit after tax deductions. So today I am signing off. Today I am signing off, and this is my first video. Please support me, and please don't forget to subscribe. And I will come with more videos next week by next week. So signing off for the day. Thank you, and follow everything finance for more updates.